Hello everyone and welcome back. So we have some exciting news for upcoming Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and I have a watch face from Mr. Matteo Dini for giveaway as well. But first of all, talking about the Galaxy Watch 5, according to trusted sources, Galaxy Watch 5 will be available for pre-order on 10th of August and users will be getting their smartwatches starting from 25th of August. And according to the same source, Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 will be available in two versions. The first one will be Galaxy Watch 5 in 40 and 44mm size. The second one will be Galaxy Watch 5 Pro in 46mm size with a massive battery. Also, we have some information regarding colors. Galaxy Watch 5 in 40 and 44mm size will be available in pink, gold, silver and phantom black color, while Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will be just available in silver and phantom black color. Talking about features, there is no detailed information, but according to few sources, temperature monitoring sensor is finally coming to Galaxy Watch 5. I think so this was necessary to make Galaxy Watch 5 stand out from Galaxy Watch 4, as we will be having the same Wear OS operating system with upgraded Exynos chipset. So that was all about regarding Galaxy Watch 5. Okay, now moving on to the watch face design. This one is MD298, which is available on Galaxy Store and Google Play Store. This giveaway is just for Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 or Wear OS users. You can drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. Okay, now talking about the watch face, it is elegant, it is sporty, and we have a clear view of our time which is highlighted here in this LCD. At the top, we have our step counter, heart rate monitor, week information, and date in this circular dial. Also, you can change colors with this watch face by long pressing on it, and now tap on customize. Here, first of all, you can change LCD color like this, and next you can change brightness. So right now I'm changing brightness of LCD. After that, you can change the color of these lines present here. Next, surface color can be changed as well. Moving on, we have this color changer for information in the background. And in the last, we have some settings for complications. So a lot of settings are available for this watch face, and you can try it out from Google Play Store on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So this was MD298, and now let's see its always on display mode. Always on display mode is looking great as well on this watch face. We have a dimmed down LCD, but our time is still highlighted in this slightly gray color. And if I double tap on the watch face, all the colors will be back. So this was the watch face for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.